Car seat is free.
Look at the way this just slides around.
How's it going? This is a really cool, very versatile and unique 5-piece cookware set from Redchef. I have never used a piece of Redchef cookware before, so this is my first time with the brand. So you get 3 main pieces. You get 2 pans and 1 pot. All of them are pretty good sizes, pretty nice size frying pan, and then a smaller pan as well. Both of the pans are really deep. What really stands out here is this detachable handle. It just clamps right on. So there's just one handle that goes around to all 3 pieces here, and it's really quick to switch between them. Really quick. At first, I thought this would be a little bit off-putting, but after using this cookware set for quite a while now, this is just muscle memory, second nature to me. No, it just feels right. It's great. There's only one thing that I wish was different, and that's the fact that I wish that the lid could fit all 3 pieces. So you get this lid right here, which does have a ventilation hole, as well as a slot to fit both the lid and the handle on at the same time. However, you don't have a lid to fit the big frying pan. So that is one thing to keep in mind. So it's not solid ceramic, it's ceramic coated with an aluminum interior. So you got ceramic, aluminum, anti-scratch, and then more ceramic coating. And the ceramic coating on the inside is going to give you that non-stick property. Here's a pan without that coating. You see the difference here? It's kind of insane. I'm not doing anything different. It's just, these are just easier to clean. Tiny little form factor, very easy to store and put away. Takes up very little space. How good are these at being non-stick? And the answer to that is actually just, it's perfect. It's almost flawless. By far the most non-stick cookware set I've ever owned.
Look at that. Nothing sticks. There's barely any oil in here.
I have yet to have a single situation where my food has stuck to the pan. I tried so hard to get food to stick to these pans so that I could have something negative to say, and it wouldn't. I couldn't get it to happen. So the trick to making this work is just use medium heat. You don't need to go past medium heat with these, and don't walk away. These pans do not take very long at all to heat up, maybe 1-2 minutes tops. By the time you turn the heat on and have a sip of coffee, they're ready to go. Give them maybe a minute to heat up, pour some oil in, and then let that heat up a little bit, and then just put your food in. You're good. I absolutely love these. This is a really good investment. Definitely worth checking out.